Imagine a country where Islam arrived before even Medina embraced it, yet today many are unaware of its rapid resurgence. Ethiopia, known for its ancient Christian heritage, is experiencing an Islamic transformation so profound that millions have embraced the faith in just a few decades. But how did this happen, and what challenges do Ethiopian Muslims face today? Join me as I dive into the incredible journey of Ethiopia's Islamic boom and see if I can uncover how millions of Muslims have emerged in just a few decades. Ethiopia, a country known for its ancient Christian heritage and traditional practices, is witnessing a remarkable shift towards Islam. In recent decades, the number of Muslims in Ethiopia has surged, making it one of the fastest growing Muslim populations in the world. Despite this rapid growth, Muslims in Ethiopia still face numerous challenges that threaten their progress. Socially, they often encounter prejudice and discrimination from the dominant Christian population, which can lead to limited access to education and job opportunities. Politically, they may encounter obstacles in exercising their religious rights and freedoms. Economically, they often struggle to make ends meet, as many are forced to live in poverty-stricken areas with limited resources. These challenges are further complicated by the country's complex historical and cultural landscape. Ethiopia's unique blend of traditional practices, Orthodox Christianity, and Islamic influences has created a delicate balance of power that can be difficult to navigate. Moreover, the rise of radical Islamic groups has led to concerns about security and stability in the region, making it even harder for Muslims to practice their faith freely. Furthermore, the Ethiopian government's response to these challenges has been inconsistent, often prioritizing short-term political gains over long-term solutions. The historical context of Ethiopia's Islamic growth is crucial in understanding its development. Islam first arrived in Ethiopia in the 7th century, and by the 16th century it had become a significant force in the region. However, the reign of Emperor Menelik II in the late 19th century led to a period of Christianization which suppressed Islamic growth for many years. It wasn't until the 1990s that Islam began to experience a resurgence, largely driven by increased access to education and economic opportunities. Cultural factors have also played a significant role in the rise of Islam in Ethiopia. The country's traditional practices, such as the veneration of saints and the use of amulets, have been incorporated into Islamic practices, making it more relatable and accessible to the local population. Additionally, the influence of Middle Eastern and South Asian Islamic traditions has brought new ideas and practices that have contributed to the growth of Islam in the region. Recent trends have further accelerated the growth of Islam in Ethiopia. The increased mobility of people, goods, and ideas has created new opportunities for Islamic scholars, preachers, and missionaries to spread their message. The rise of social media and online platforms has also enabled the dissemination of Islamic knowledge and ideas, making it easier for people to learn about and engage with the religion. One pivotal moment that significantly accelerated the Islamic boom in Ethiopia was the 1991 fall of the Marxist Derg regime, which had suppressed religious freedom. This led to a period of relative religious tolerance, allowing Muslims to practice their faith more openly and freely. The subsequent establishment of Islamic schools, mosques and charitable organizations further catalyzed the growth of Islam in the region. The 2000s also saw a significant increase in foreign investment and aid from Middle Eastern countries, which helped to fund Islamic projects and initiatives. This influx of resources enabled the construction of new mosques, schools and community centres, providing a physical infrastructure that supported the growth of Islam. As we reflect on the incredible journey of Ethiopia's Islamic boom, it's clear that this phenomenon has significant implications for the future. The complex interplay between social, political and economic factors will continue to shape the trajectory of Islam in Ethiopia, and it's crucial that we acknowledge and understand these dynamics in order to build a more inclusive and equitable society. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on this topic in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about religious dynamics and cultural shifts, be sure to check out my other videos for more insights and analysis. Ethiopia's Islamic revival is a story of resilience, faith and transformation. But this journey isn't over. The future of Islam in Ethiopia depends on awareness, dialogue and understanding. So, what do you think? Is Ethiopia's Islamic boom a sign of a new era, or are deeper struggles ahead? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you're passionate about exploring the untold stories of faith, culture and history, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, because there's so much more to uncover together.